Hey there, this is my application for the Rift SMP. I am Hugo, I'm 13 years old. I like to play scripted Minecraft servers because it's fun to record with new people. I'm sick right now, so don't mind the coughing. I just like to make new friends on new scripted Minecraft servers. And yeah, and for my in-character line, it's "Look what you did. I'll never forget what you did to me. Remember it for your whole life." Yeah, okay, that was it, bro. Yeah, basically, when you ask me a question, I'm pretty dumb, so... Also, I need an editor, that's the thing. I really don't know how to edit myself. If you see the video, it's quite buns. Can't lie, bro. Can't lie about myself, bro. Alright, see you on the SMP, bro.